hello. I'm going to try vlog today because I'm going to see Tartan Tabletop. I have college first, so I need to get ready and go to college. So I'm gonna go do that. But I'm gonna try vlog today because I thought it would be fun. So yeah, I don't know if I said what time it is, but it's 6 a.m. This is the time I always get up to get ready for college. So yeah, I'm not gonna film me getting ready, but I will film a bit when I get to college. I don't know, we'll see. I always tell myself that I'm gonna film a little bit at college for like the mini vlogs I do in my Snapchat stories. You know, it's just really easy to see what's on the tabletop back there. Also some old stickers I made for a shit from that. Yes, I'm going to see the gang again. I'm going to see the gang again. I'm very tired. I haven't slept. So we're gonna go down, get ready, and I'll do something else later. I don't know. I don't want to make this vlog too long, so I'm gonna stop there because it's almost been a minute of me yapping. Okay, so this isn't actually not the outfit, and not the makeup fully done. Can I put my phone there? I can't. Can I? I don't know where to put my phone. Let's put it down here. These are my shirt fit pictures up there. But like this bag has my cowboy boots in it, my hat with my belts and my bandana. This isn't even the top that I'm wearing. The top that I'm wearing is actually underneath this. It's like shirt with a cute little corset, but it's cold, so I don't want to just wear that, so I'll put this on, because I'm going to college, and I have two belts that I'm going to start. I'll insert a picture here of what the outfit looks like from something that I done yesterday, or no, not yesterday, Wednesday, I think. I don't know, I can't remember when it was, maybe Tuesday? I can't remember. But I need to hurry up and leave for college. Oh, and also, since this is Tartan Tabletop, I'm going to show you guys the new set of dice my sister got me. It's like green, and they kind of look like poker chips to me. But yeah, I have another set, but I'd have to take a minute to show you. I'll insert a picture here of what they look like. Oh god, I'm setting myself up for so much editing. But yes. Got my bag. I will show you guys my crutch when I get downstairs. Actually, I won't because my dad's up. I'll do it once I get to college. But yes, I need to leave to go to college. I need to finish my energy drink before I go, actually. But yes, we're kind of done. I still need to do my mascara and my lips. But yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, we're back, and I have a little mic. Because we're gonna ignore the fact that I'm in the bathroom in my college. But that's just because nobody comes into this bathroom that often. To us, it's the disabled toilet. But I'm still whispering just in case people walk by. But my locker is also in here, which is why I need to come in here. Oh, you guys, you didn't see the new thingy. Yeah, so I'm just getting everything ready, to leave because everybody left early. Sorry, that's very loud. There we go. My little locker is in here. All my stuff is in here. But yeah, so what was I saying? Oh, I'm gonna insert a little picture here while I'm grabbing things, of the little set I'm designing, for the Enigma of the High Visionary. So yeah. Hey guys, editing Indi here. I lost the audio for the rest of that clip. But I was basically just yapping about my little set I'm making inspired by the Enigma of the High Visionary. So if you head over to my Instagram if you want to see some more about that, I post regular updates about the little set over on there. And I was kind of just yapping about how excited I was for the show. And then I was like, yes, I'm gonna head out, and I'm gonna head out to get the coach. Which I did, and that's the next clip. Roll the montage. I hate that. Oh my god. Okay, I'm off the coach and I am now walking to the venue. It's going to take me like 15 minutes to get there. But hey, it's still well, and I couldn't be bothered to get the mic out of my bag, and my phone's on charge so I can't plug it in. But I have my bandana on, which has kind of been crushed by the strap of my cowboy hat because it was getting in the way. I couldn't really see properly, so I've just got it kind of hanging over my back. Got my cute little outfit going. I do need to tuck the shirt up, but it's freezing. I'm shivering. You see my face going red because it is genuinely freezing. And it's 7 PM. Look how dark it is. It's pitch black. But to be fair, I actually started doing this at like, I want to say maybe just after 6. So it's been dark for a while. Yeah, I will update once I get to the venue.
Everybody, big round of applause! Indiana, I love your costume, it looks fantastic. What is your cowboy name?
I have no clue.
Indiana's a fairly cowboy name. Have you played D&D before?
Teensy bit.
A teensy tiny bit? I detect a hint of sarcasm in that there. So you have rolled a dice before?
Yes.
Yes, again, some unneeded sarcasm in that.
Indiana's rolled a dice before.
True, I've only played once.
Indiana, you talk with the intonation of someone twiddling their moustache.
Okay. Like a duck to water, folks, I think you're going to do very well. Now, the aim of the game is to roll a number. Easy, right? It's a dice covered in numbers. The number you have to roll is the number higher than the one I'm thinking of in my head.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sound good.
I fucked that a wee bit, didn't I? The number... I'm steaming drunk. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Fantastic. Folks, let's clap our hands, stamp our feet, get a bit of atmosphere. What we got? 9. Oh, if someone over there can throw me the dice back, that would be fantastic. Please don't get it away.
You nearly knocked the fucking wig off there, Jesus.
Oh, Mike, what are you talking about?
She's laid. Unclockable. Well, the way that before the show started, I was trying to get that wig on Josh's head, and his protrusive sideburns were going to... Can we get some commotion for Josh's sideburns, please?
We're talking sideburns.
Anyway, Indiana, would you like to know the number I was thinking of in my head? You think you have an idea? You think the number that I was thinking of in my head was... Zero! Hey! What a prize! Would you like to know what you've won? You've seen the show before. You have won yourself a feel around in Niall's magic sack. Niall, get your sack out. Woo!
Niall's magic purse today.
Niall's magic pussy. What?
That's crazy.
There you go. You get your hand on in there. But wait! On the count of 3, we're all going to shout, what's in Niall's... We're going to pussy.
We're all shouting, what is in Niall's pussy?
What's in Niall's
Jesus
pussy?
Christ.
I'm ready. 1, 2, 3.
What's in Niall's pussy?
On Indiana.
On you go, Indiana.
Yeah, reach in there. Hold hands.
It's a copy of Davina McCall's Power of 3. You can keep that. Big round of applause. Through foggy air and darkened skies, over gaseous swamp and craggy dale, with owls hoot, hoot, rats and bats make whatever noise fucking bats make. We find ourselves the victims of misfortune. Our story beginning in an evil place of wretched villainy and general stink. A place where traffic lights are always amber, and it's alright to fuck sheep. As long as you don't tell the other livestock lest they get jealous. If any of you should have the misfortune of stumbling into this place, phone me on my personal number and I'll come and fucking put you down with a hammer.
My name is Mary Queen of Scots. I am from Linlithgow. I can only assume that I am Fife because Dunfermline used to be the capital. Even in drag, I cannot resist the urge to mansplain history.
Okay, my turn, Butch. Howdy, y'all. I'm Hannah Shablama. You all recognize me as a princess of pop and from my hit Disney Channel show, Jizzy McGuire. Work since then has dried up, so I'm really excited to be in this dark basement with y'all. I just like to get going.
Lauren.
I don't know about drag, but I'm sure I'm the king, honey. I'm really shy. And my character's called Elvish Presley. That's really funny for me.
Alicia.
The name's Bud. Rose Bud. And when it comes to situations like these, I'm a pro, lapsing in judgment sometimes. She is a femme fatale. She likes to think that she's kind of all that, but she's not really. And she's basically like knockoff Poison Ivy vibes is kind of what we're going for. That's all good. She loves a flower. She loves a swan. I guess we'll find out through the means of storytelling. But yeah, basically her main power is that she can make plants grow, but just like slightly faster than they normally do. So you know, farmers love her.
And finally, Niall.
How are we all doing today, folks? My name is Riri, Receptionist. And if you've got an appointment, I'm going to stop you from getting it sorted.
All of your cages are joined in like a sort of square, but I've realised there's 5 of you, so I think Elvis's cage is on the top. As it should be.
A real jailhouse rock.
Dresses.
Alright, now, can I have a wee, can I get a wee?
We've only just met, madame. Perhaps I could make an exception for you.
What you got packing in there?
My little spring onion.
Can you guys leave?
It's happening again.
Alright, sorry, do you see that just over there? Look.
Behind me.
Yeah,
I
behind
have
you.
to turn my whole body.
Yeah. Can I smash the onion?
What do you mean by that?
Non-lethal damage, I just want to kind of conk the onion out.
Exactly. What kind of smash?
Can I bang this onion?
Roll.
Oh!
That's pretty good.
Thank you. It's alright. That's going to be, what do I add to that?
Your strength, presumably.
Am I proficient in banging onions?
Hell.
That's going to be a 26 then.
Wow. Everyone knows onions have an armour class of 10. You smack the onion. Roll me some damage on that.
Unarmed, call it a d6.
Yeah, go for
I've got lots of rings on. That'll be 5.
You bash, smack the onion on the back of its head. It falls to the ground and then, because of the shape, kind of rolls down the hill. and a tear comes down your eye because you've opened it a wee bit.
Oh my goodness,
The
really?
blinded condition.
That has really affected you. Are you okay?
I'll live. Maybe we should try and get into the store because I don't know when the next guard shift's going to be, and I can't keep banging onions. I don't know what to do here. Can I roll can we just fully fucking D&D it? Can I roll an insight check and see which one is lying?
You're going to metagame it?
I'm going to metagame.
Roll me an insight check.
Imagine playing D&D at Tartan Tabletop.
This is why we don't, because that's a nat 1.
You have large shotgun.
Oh, so I do. I forgot. Oh my god! Shaboom shablam! I hit the one on the right.
I guess just like blindly try and open it.
Cool, you open that up. I could do one
Noise.
noise. You open that up. The cuntiest boots you have ever seen in your entire life. Radiant with magic. And this magic item is called Boots the House Down.
Metagaming, is that what you call it? I'm the only one wearing boots, and I can show you them right now, but I think I deserve the boots.
You must show us because
I will show you my boots. I put
Get
on
the
the
boots!
boots.
Get the boots out, mama!
And what's about in these boots? Sit behind that table. And for that reason, I get the boots.
Okay, so for the first time, what the hell? Okay, I just shadowed, never mind. So for the first time, they're doing an intermission during the show. But somehow I was the best dressed. I'm getting a gift voucher to Chaos Curious. You guys that make like cool D&D days, and I also got whatever the hell this is. So yeah, very fun. It's actually very fun. I'm loving this one so far. But yeah, I'm probably before this probably played some videos from the show and clips and that. But yeah, second half coming soon. Again, I couldn't be bothered to pull out the microphone and use that. Why is this wasn't done? I don't know. But this was very fun today, guys. I won a voucher and a DVD. I probably insert pictures before this of the pictures I got with Alex and Niall. Okay, sorry, that was a weird cut off. People just kind of walked in front of me and I felt weird talking. But what was I saying? Oh yes, so it was very, very fun. I got to roll the dice again and don't know how I feel about it, but I had a feel around in Niall's sack. If you've seen the shows, you know, okay? I've probably, you probably know because I've probably inserted a clip before this of me doing that whole thing. But yeah, because thanks to JB, thank you so much JB for filming that for me. But yeah, I'm just currently walking to get the coach home. It's like, I don't know how long, I don't know what time it is, let me check if it'll show me. It's 10:15. The show was supposed to end at 9:30. It ended at like 9:45, which is only 15 minutes extra. But yeah, that was very fun. I'm not gonna get in until 1 AM though. Mum's gonna pick me up from the bus station, thankfully. But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. I might do a little bit on the coach, but apart from that, yeah, I might just do a little montage at the end of a bunch of photos and stuff from the show. So yeah, thank you to all my friends for hanging out with me. This is my outfit, my winning outfit, somehow. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next vlog for Dracula, which I'm going to see on Monday.